Starting August 17, 2024, agents working with buyers will need to have a written agreement with their clients before touring homes, whether in person or virtually. Since the settlement announcement, Bay East has been offering webinars, town halls, classes, and legal updates to help us navigate these new rules. With August 17th approaching, it's crucial to stay informed and prepared. Written buyer agreements benefit consumers by clearly outlining the services provided and how compensation works. These agreements also offer transparency in negotiating the terms of the agent-client relationship. Therefore, understanding the new buyer representation and broker compensation agreement is essential. As business owners, clear communication is key to maintaining trust with our clients. Understanding and adapting to these new rules is vital for asserting and defending the value we bring to our clients. Are you ready to convey your value to your clients? Do you understand the concepts that define your worth? Without clear value proposition, price objections will always arise. Defending your worth means educating buyers on the importance of representation, emphasizing ethical standards, client confidentiality, and prioritizing your client's best interests. Do you offer personalized services before and after the sale? Do you have specialized knowledge in a niche market? What unique skills and services do you provide? Frequent and transparent communication is essential. While many aspects of our profession remain unchanged, compensation has always been negotiable and buyer-broker agreements have existed. There's a need to correct misconceptions following the lawsuit and proposed settlement. Stay informed through Bay East, CAR, and NAR. If you haven't already, sign up for the free CAR Buyer Representation and Residential Listing Agreement Bundle at store.car.org using the provided coupon. Do it today. I'm Eliane Selwan, member of the Professional Standards Committee at Bay East, and thank you for watching.